Hi, we are at worksheet 9 for P3 math. So a computer mouse is how much cheaper than a speaker? So you must take the speaker minus the computer mouse, because how much cheaper, it means the speaker is more expensive than the computer mouse. And the speakers are 1990. So here, 1990. Speakers, no, sorry, computer mouse is 995. 995. And you need to work them out. So a headphone is how much more expensive than a computer keyboard. So you must understand which is more expensive and which is cheaper. So if you look at this, right, headphone is $89.90, computer keyboard is $39.80. So you need to take $89.90 minus away $39.80. So you need to add this amount up together, right, which is 150. How much change will she get? So it's 150 minus away $99 over here. So you have to take minus away $99. So Mrs. Tang is at a toy shop. She has $100 to buy 3 of the items shown below. She wants to buy a guitar. So she wants to buy a guitar over here. All right, you need to see how much the guitar is. What are the other 2 items that she can buy? So if she has $100, you need to minus away the price of the guitar, which is $25.90. That gives you the amount. And then what are the other 2 items that she can buy? Which means, right, this item 1 plus item 2 must be less than this amount. Okay, so can you again share with me what are the other 2 items that she can buy? And then after that, work out the change that she should get. So I have $100. I minus away my guitar. I minus away my item 1. I minus away my item 2. Then that will be the change that I get. Okay, so going to work this out as well. Can she buy a guitar and a bicycle? So bicycle is this, guitar is this. Can she buy them together? So you need to take guitar plus bicycle equals to a certain amount, and if this is bigger than 100, then she cannot. Okay, if it is smaller than 100, then she can. Ravi's family ate dinner at a Korean barbecue. The bill was this amount. All right, how much? Ravi's father paid the waiter 100. How much change should he get? So the change is equals to 100 minus away 68.50. Okay, so just work it out. Remember to put your dollar sign over here. Janice has $98.50. She has this more than Amiya. So now you're starting to see questions with more and less and fewer than. So Janice has this amount. I'll draw the model for you lah. So every time you draw the model, you want to draw a longer model on top, and then the shorter model at the bottom, and then you cut it, and then you label the extra part. So the extra part is this one, right? 57.25. So you put here 57.25 cents. And Janice has this. She has this more than Amiya. So you must understand that Janice has more than Amiya. Okay, so she has this more than Amiya. And in total, Janice has 98.50. So can you tell that Amiya is 98.50 minus away $57.25? Okay, so Amiya equals to 98.50 minus away $57.25. A shirt costs $25.90. A pair of trousers costs this. So I want a shirt and a pair of trousers. So I need to find shirt plus trousers will be equals to $25.90 plus $35.65. Okay, so you work this out and remember your dollar sign over here, because 1 shirt and 1 pair of trousers, so you need to add them up together. Okay, so this one a bit tricky already. Somebody spent $65.55 more on Saturday than he did on Sunday. So as usual, you need to do your more than less than model. So that means you need to draw your longer model on top, and then your shorter model at the bottom. Right? Leave some space in between so that you have some space to write. and then you cut. And I know that, I don't know who is more and who is fewer or less, but I know that it's 65, 55, right? So first thing I'll do is 65, 55. Okay, I just cut and then I write this amount here. And then now I start to try and figure out who is more and who is fewer. So I spent 65, 55 more on Saturday than he did on Sunday. So Saturday he actually spent more than he spent on Sunday. Okay, so on Sunday I spent 28.90. So this is 28.90. All right. So it's always a good habit that once you have something at the bottom, then you straight away you want to take this number and move it to the top. Okay, straight away, you don't even need to think about it. Once I have this 28.90 at the bottom, you must understand that on top is also equals to, this part is also equals to 28.90. This will come in very super helpful, right, when you're doing future problem sums. So how much did you spend on Saturday? So can you tell that Saturday is 28.90 plus 65.55? Okay, so Saturday equals to 28.90 plus 65.55. All right, and then the answer would be in dollars. Right, we are now on worksheet 11. So solve the word problems. Ravi bought a math for this, science for this, $50 notes. How much did Ravi spend altogether? How much did he spend? Okay, so how much did he spend altogether is $14.75 plus $9.90. Okay. Okay, so this will be your answer. He paid for the books with a $50 note, so you need to take $50. I like to write the word here lah. Okay, write the word change. And then he paid the books with a $50 note, so $50 minus away this one. Put the number here, equals to, that's your answer over here. Janice bought a dress for $48.50, shoes for this amount. She received $2.90 in change. How much did she spend altogether? Okay, so again, spend altogether is you take the dress plus the shoe. All right, so dress is $48.50 plus the shoe is $28.60. Then you get your spend altogether. After paying for the item, she received $2.90 in change. Okay, so this one I'll tell you the answer. It's actually 77.10. So after I got $2.90 in change. So I just quickly draw the model for you. So this is actually your 77.10. All right. So after paying, right? So I have some money, and after paying, I got $2.90 in change. So my $2.90 in change is actually over here. Okay, so $2.90 in change. So at first I have this amount. So the question mark is, what amount do I have? And then after that, I spent 77.10. I get $2.90 in change. Right? So $2.90 in change means I need to add to what I spent. So therefore, my total amount of money that I have is $77.10 plus $2.90. Okay, so that's equals to, you need to work this out yourself. All right. So we are at worksheet 12. Solve the following word problems. 95 in his wallet, bought a t-shirt and a cap for this. How much money does he have left? So you need to add up the how much did he spend altogether. All right. So he spent $41.90 plus $15.75. So that is equals to the total amount. And then how much money did he have left? So right here, left equals to, not equals to, he had 95 in his wallet, right? So $95 minus away this amount. Okay, so just put this amount here equals to, then that is the amount that he has left. And I bought a DVD for this amount. She bought a book, which is, every time you have more and less, right? You know what to do already. So straight away, you don't even need to think about it. Don't even need to think. Just draw the long model and draw the short model and leave some space in between and cut over here. Now I need to figure out what is this amount over here. So I know that it is $13.70. Don't care about who is more and who is fewer or less. Just write all these things down. Then you start to think, who is more expensive and who is cheaper. So she bought a book which cost $13.70 less than the DVD. Can you tell that the book is more expensive? So the book costs less than the DVD. Sorry, which is more expensive? The DVD is more expensive, okay? So the DVD is more expensive, and then the book is cheaper. So the book I'll put below, the DVD I'll put on top. So the DVD cost $39.90. So this whole thing costs $39.90. And then after that, to find the price of the book, you tell that you need to take the price of the book is equals to $39.90 minus away $13.70. Okay, so this model is really important. It helps you to visualize what is important, which is more expensive and which is cheaper, which is more, which is fewer, or less. All right. Okay, Jason saved this amount in May. He saved, okay, again, I have something more, right? Once I have something more, I don't care what is it already. I just draw my long model, and then I draw my short model, and then I draw my cut. And once I see that, then I will save 2050, right? So I just write here 2050. All right. So how much money did Jason save this amount in May? He saved more than his sister. So Jason is here, sister is here. And he saved 45.60 cents. So this whole thing is $45.60. How much money did they save altogether? Altogether, right, is actually like that. All right. This is how you represent altogether. So I saved 2050 more than his sister. Yeah, so you need to figure out, right, how much is this portion? How much is this portion? Which is, then you reflect it downwards. It's actually the same as the sister. So you need to take 45.60 minus away $20.50. Then you get your answer. And this answer, let's put a bracket. This answer is actually the same as the sister. And then after that, you need to take this answer plus this amount. Okay, 45.60. 45.60. Because altogether, so you know Jason did 45.60, right? Sister did this amount. So you just add them up, and then that will be your answer.